Huge thank you to ASV Inventions, home of the unbreakable lever. If you lose talent way too often on the bike like myself and you crash and break levers and stuff, then definitely check out ASV. They can help you solve that. Thank you to Sirius Studio. They can take care of all your merch needs, shirts, sweatshirts, hats, you name it, they got it. And then a big thank you to the designlabco.com. They got some great designs in their lab at their co, and if you need anything graphic wise, then definitely look no further than there. I have links and discount codes and all that fun stuff in my video description, and if you guys buy from them, a small portion of the sale goes to me to help keep the channel going. So if you guys are supporting them, you are literally supporting me. Hope you enjoy the video.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for tuning in. As always, really appreciate each and every one of you. We're coming to you from Glen, Helen for the Two-Stroke World Championship 2026 edition. Packed house, tons of riders, tons of fans, big ass hills, rough Gnarls Barkley track, all that kind of stuff. Actually, it's not rough in Gnarls Barkley yet because it's 8:30 in the morning and it's Titty City, but we got riders. First moto of the 125 Pasha Pro Class lining up on the gate right now. And we've got massive wind and heavy hitters. There's Hawaii 5-0 Sean Lapanovich. Mike Alessi's here. Redondi doing it for Italia. Defending champ JMO. You can see that helmet from my house. Didn't even need to fly here for all that.
You're way out there.
Josh Grant? Nah. Got the younger Dubach tag team in the gate pack with the legend, the doctor. Dane Morales hitting us with POV on the Pasha bike, wherever it is. Oi, mate. Milcevic. Medeiros. Simmons. He was the unknown shredder from the other day. No numbers, no problem, but he rips. Patrick Evans thinks it's freestyle. And that's about it. Almost forgot about this beaut. Suzuki 125. That's a no-choice rig. Let's go racing.
Here we go, Moto 1 for some cash money. And to nobody's surprise, it's Michael Alessi with the whole shot. Mosiman second. These hills are insane. I'm gonna try to keep commentary to a minimum and just tell you guys what I gotta say, because this is the best sounding moto. It's Alessi, Mosiman, and Giacomo Redondi in the top three. They've taken everybody else to Applebee's early. Yep, Pasha just said it himself. Top three on Pasha 150. Seven's is third, Morales is third. Not sure about 4. And I got D. Simone 5. And some more I don't know. Hawaii 5-0's fighting through with Milcevic and Simmons and Morales and Dubach. Mosiman all over the back of Alessi, side by side down the hill. Can't quite pull the trigger just yet. Oh, this thing is heating up. And we still got a long way to go. I think a 20-minute plus 2. But Alessi's looking strong. This might be McCool in 4th with a cool name.
Mosiman trying everything. Oi, 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 Aussie battle. And Mosiman in the lead now, finally gets it done. Let's see if the 800's got anything for retaliation. And now Redondi's closing back into it. Redondi's an off-road guy. He could do this pace for 3 to 5 business days. We're just past halfway. Boys are barking. Mosiman, the Glen Helen local, starting to stretch this thing out. He's got more laps out here than Glen and Helen combined. The top 3 are so checked. That's the gap all the way back to 4th. Millsmick up to 4th. Medeiros is making moves. That one's a battle royale. Pasha bikes 1 through 4, maybe 1 through 5. Mosiman has just been a dominant force at this race of the 125 class. Had it 2 years ago until a bike problem. Won the title last year, and he's looking good this year. Alessi's hanging tough though. Mad props, he's dropped Redondi. Oh my God, Redondi just hit Talladega wide open. Aussie ACL, nice. I've been duped by the lap count and the flagger. Mosiman gets the win in Moto 1, Alessi 2, and Redondi 3. The top 3 were all in the mail. Call them USPS. No way, P4, the whole moto is pushing it off. That sucks. Milcevic 4, Medeiros 5, Simmons back to 6. It pays off overall, so stay in it, boys. Then we got D. Simone. Lapanovic with a bummer ride. He's a past champ of this thing. And then Dubach, and I'm not sure. Moto 2 in a few hours. I'm sure it's going to be even better than that one was. Here we go, 125 Pro Moto 2 for all the marbles. Gate is down. Holy hole shot, who was that? Mosiman buried. I couldn't quite tell who was where. It was the 32 with the shot, but Alessi takes it over. Then Redondi and I think Lapanovic. Mosiman's got work to do. Red flag I think is coming out. I would have to believe
That whoever pulled the hole shot might have jumped the gate. Stay tuned. All right, one side of the gate didn't drop on that first one. Let's try again. The restart is off. But Nandi just slammed his way into the lead for the shot. That was aggressive. The three top dogs at the front again, and Mosiman just went into the lead. Mosiman, Redondi, Alessi, your top three. Mosiman was the major benefactor on that restart. He was buried on the first one. Now he's right where he needs to be. And Alessi's gotten Redondi for second now. This pace at the front is insane.
Mosiman looking good for the repeat here. Alessi a lonely second and Redondi third. Milcevic versus I'm not sure who in Medeiros.
Milcevic makes the move into fourth. Alessi not letting him go, but Mosiman just clicking him off at the front. That's an ACL saver. Redondi all alone in third, but Milcevic is charging. Mate! And my bad, that's been D. Simone the whole time. His jersey's got the wrong number on it. Really throwing me for a loop there. Sevens is buried, not the day he was looking for. I think this is 2 to go for Mosiman. Trying to wrap this thing up. Alessi is definitely not giving up. Super admirable effort. Milcevic is hard charger of the day. That cunt is barking.
Alessi's throwing all he's got at it. But Mosiman's got this place figured out. White flag is out, Alessi's still charging, but Mosiman might be in Jet Lawrence management mode. A little less than a lap between he and another world championship that's only here in the USA. I know that gets the comment section going. Strong third for Redondi. And Milcevic wearing the no fear gear. Definitely not scared of getting a bad start and passing a ton of people. Team MXA is hyped. The whole squad's here. Final corner for Mosiman, 2 years in a row. It should be a three-peat, but he's gonna get the win in this 125 Pro this year. 2026, the world champ is Josh Mosiman. Alessi was right there, charged the whole time to the bitter end. But there's your champ, the local boy. The home team is stoked. Sportsmanship at the National, you love that. Now Redondi, not a whole lot of sportsmanship, punting Alessi out of the way for the whole shot. Well, that's racing. Milcevic charged the whole time for 3 to 5 business days to a fourth. Strong fifth for D. Simone. I feel bad I didn't identify him for half of that one. Then sixth for Medeiros. I'm surprised the little dude didn't get blown away by the wind. No offense, I'm about to. And then 7-7. I think this is RJ Lageman 8, Dane Morales 9. And I'm not sure about the rest, but I'll post the official results. I mean, we couldn't be any less official here with the iPhone, but really hope you guys enjoyed that one. Let's try to go check out, or excuse me, catch up with J-Mo, my dog. Woof, woof. How you got energy for that? Are you kidding me? Let's go. Pasha domination. It's like we're in Hollywood, Posh. Let's go. The champ going to collect some stacks of cash. Could I get a loan, please? J-Mo, loan shark. Unreal.